What's up, winners? Welcome back to another episode of Stay Winning Podcast. If you're new here, my name is Hugo Alonso. Thank you for tuning in. We're so happy that you're here. Today, I'm bringing you 5 ways that you can make money off a small YouTube channel in 2023. If you'd like me to expand on any one of these and make a particular episode for each one, go ahead and let me know, and I'm happy to go ahead and do so. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an arrangement by which a business or company pays you a commission for traffic or sales generated from the referrals that you send them. They usually provide you a unique link to keep records of the traffic or provide you a discount code that you can share with your community to track sales and pay you out. If you have not talked to anyone, the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is to use affiliate links from companies you already use, such as Amazon, Robinhood, or Coinbase. Another example I have 2 affiliate links down in the comments below. One is for a free business checking account for those that want to start a business in the new year. And second, the link to Survey Junkie, where you can make money simply by giving your opinion. To help me out, please click on those links below. Number 2, sponsorships. This is when a company will pay you to promote their product or service on your channel. The amount is usually a fixed amount. For example, a small channel can get $100 to promote a product on 4 different videos. If you think about it, you can get paid $100 for 15 minutes of work. You can record and edit the ad all in 15 minutes or less and plug in that same ad in all 4 of the videos. If your conversion rates are good enough, this can lead to bigger sponsorships down the line. Number 3, let your audience support you through fan funding. I know small channels that make about $100 a month from Patreon. You can see this as 25 supporters paying you $4 a month. In your Patreon, you can provide perks not available to your other YouTube followers, such as free digital downloads or exclusive behind-the-scenes content. This one I haven't done myself, but I'm leaning towards it because I don't want to be selling courses down the line, but I would still like to make my resources available to my most loyal supporters. Number 4, selling merchandise. This is good if you're trying to grow your brand. Whatever your niche is, you can build merchandise using print-on-demand services, such as Printful or TeePublic. Not only can these generate you revenue, but it's a great marketing tactic for your channel. And before we proceed with number 5, please help out the channel. Hit like, comment, subscribe if you learned something new or appreciate this content. Let me know in the comments. I'd like to know where you guys are from. But let's go ahead and move on to number 5. So number 5, if you noticed, the first 4 had nothing to do with you meeting any type of YouTube metrics. But number 5 will be the YouTube Partner Program. So that will require you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. In my opinion, that's the toughest one from all the ones on the list, but it's not impossible. So if your goal is to get monetized on YouTube, good luck to you. I hope you found value in this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay winning.